Hello students, welcome to Exam Corner. आज हमें हाई स्कूल कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल टीचर जो टीजीटी एग्जाम तार प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करिया. Okay, so first question. A compound microscope consists of a objective lens of focal length 2 cm and eyepiece of focal length 6.25 cm separated by a distance of 15 cm. How far from the objective should an object be placed in order to obtain the final image as infinity? Okay, first time देखिए दबा जो basic points दिया है. For example, it's given that focal length of objective is 2 cm. माने f1. The focal length of eyepiece f2 equals to 6.25 cm. These two things are given. The distance separated by a distance. So distance between eyepiece and the objective, which is given by D, equals to 15 cm. So good lens formula. So according to the lens formula, we have 1 by f2 is equal to 1 by v2 minus 1 by u2. This is the lens formula. So we can write 1.6.25 equals to 1 by minus 25 minus 1 by u2. Why we have taken 25? Because it is the least distance of the distinct vision, which is equal to minus 25. So we get u2 equals to minus 5 cm. So एबे हमें ए थ्रू फाइंड कर पाबे इमेज डिस्टेंस. Image distance of the lens equals to v1 equals to d plus u2, which is equal to 15 minus 5 equals to 10 centimeter. This will be used to calculate the objective distance which it's to be placed in order to obtain the final image. तापरे again हमें lens formula use करिबा. Lens formula रे we have 1 by f2 equals to 1 by v2 minus 1 by u2. एटा हमें केतल नबा जत्ते बेले image distance for the eyepiece is at infinity. So this implies v2 equals to infinity. So हमें substitute करा values 1 by 1.6.25 into 1 by infinity minus 1 by u2. So u2 equals to minus 6.25 centimeter. अब हमें जानते हैं image distance रा formula. Image distance equals to v1 equals to d plus u2. D रा value हमें find करते 10. So we'll put 10 plus minus 6.25. 10 plus minus 6.25 वाला 8.75. तापरे object distance from the objective lens काढ़िया. Object distance from the objective lens. This is equal to u2. So 1 by f1 equals to 1 by v1 minus 1 by u1, which is equal to 1 by 2 because the focal length of 2 cm equals to 1 by 8.75 जोटा कि हमें v1 रा value find कर ले minus 1 by u1 value substitute कर ले u1 equals to minus 2.59 centimeter. The answer is minus 2.59 centimeter. So it is 2.59 centimeter is the distance of the objective from the object. Then moving on to the next question. Next question is, a body delivers constant power when it is moved along a straight line. The distance covered by the body in time t is proportional to. Okay, the body is traveling in a straight line. So we will have, let us consider the power of the body be P. So we have now the distance. Distance moved equals to S. This we will consider or assume two conditions. Hele ame janiche power P jota ame neche equals to F dot V. Now ame janiche gote equation force F equals to MA. So V equals to S by T. Acceleration A equals to S by T square. ये चारटा fundamental things हमें आगुरु known अच्छे हमको. Now ये जो हमें equations रा लिखिले, ये equation को consider कर ले और equation को consider कर ले, हमें लिखी परिवा P equals to MS by T square into S by T. We are just substituting the values. V जगह S into T पकेले, A जगह S by T square substitute कर ले. So this is equal to, solve कर ले, we get S square equals to P into TQ by M. So ये जो equation टा में देखिले, याद रहा में लिखी परिवा S square is directly proportional to TQ. तो यदि S square is directly proportional to TQ हमें लिखी परिवा, ताहले S is directly proportional to T to the power 3 by 2. So time T is the distance moved by the body in time T is proportional to T to the power 3 by 2. This is the answer. Then jiba next question ko. Next question रे अछि, यदि गोटे astronomical telescope is 110 centimeter and the magnifying power is 10, what is the focal length of the objective? Okay, हमें जाने चाहिए यदि magnific point, yeah, हमें जाने चाहिए यदि magnifying power M is equal to focal length of objective by focal length of eyepiece. तापरे गोटे टर्म जाने ट्यूब लेंथ. ट्यूब लेंथ क्या को कुआ जाए? ट्यूब लेंथ हला डिस्टेंस tube length है distance between objective and eyepiece, which is given by L. So L equals to FO plus FE, focal length of objective plus focal length of eyepiece. हमको दिया है magnifying power is 10. So हमें लिखी परिवा 10. Sorry for the disturbance. हमें लिखी परिवा 10 equals to FO by FE. और हमें इटा को एमिति भी लिखी परिवा FO equals to 10 FE. एटा है फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. तापरे ट्यूब लेंथ को नेकी भी हमें इक्वेशन लिखि परिबा 10 FE plus FE equals to 110, because FO plus FE equals to 110. दिया है ट्यूब लेंथ इज 110. सो FO जगह हमें 10 FE पुट कर दबा. सो 10 FE plus FO equals to FE equals to 110. So 11 FE equals to 110. FE equals to 10. Ebe focal length of the eyepiece is 10. So focal length of the objective, हमको focal length of objective find करार अछि. So focal length of objective जोटा कि FO equals to 10 FE, which is equal to 10 into 10, which is equal to 100. So 100 centimeter is the answer. Next question. A compound microscope has an objective of focal length 1 centimeter and an eyepiece of focal length 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. An objective has to be placed at a distance of 1.2 centimeter away from the normal adjustment. The angular magnification of the compound microscope. The angular microscope angular magnification of the compound microscope find करा हुआ हमें कितना assumption नबा. For example, assume करिबा जे D with the minimum distance to visit the eyes. तापरे आमे जानचे focal length of eyepiece equals to FE. तापरे object distance from the objective is U. Given conditions hela, F is given as 1 centimeter, U is given as minus 1.2 centimeter. So, am pakhre ache 1 by V minus 1 by 1.2 minus equals to 1 by 1. 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. So, either I may find by V value which is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now, आमे जानचे जे angular magnification हमको find करार अछि. Angular magnification रो formula angular magnification रो formula M equals to V by U D by FE. It is angular magnification formula, so please remember it. This is equal to 6 by minus 1.2 into 25 by 2.5. It will solve color, we'll get 50. Okay, so angular magnification is given by 50. Theta formula ithara achi. Total 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. And the second formula is angular magnification formula, jota ki equals to V by U D by focal length of the eyepiece. Jodi etikit terms apong jana achi, tahale put the values, get the answer. So angular magnification is 50. Okay, next question. What is the escape velocity for the Earth if its mass is 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 kg? Its radius is 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 meter and G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Escape velocity of the Earth, escape velocity from the Earth can be found out by using the escape velocity formula. Escape velocity formula likhiba. Escape velocity is equal to 2gm by r. एटाला escape velocity रा formula एटा को memorize करिया को पड़िबो. तापरे अदर formulas values put करिया. G रा value दिया है 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Then M दिया है mass 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 kg divided by radius. Radius दिया है 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 meters. Root over. This is equal to 7.98. 7.981 into 10 to the power 14 Newton meter square per kg. Gote kg cancel gala 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 meter root over. This will approximately come around 1.118 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So, हमें ये value को consider करना है because round up है 1.12 into 10 to the power 8 can be considered. So one thing you remember, escape velocity or formula है root over of 2gm by r, where g is the gravitational constant, m is the mass, and r is the radius which is given. So direct question, formula values put color formulas will get the answer. Next question. A beam of white light is incident from the air to the glass slab at a normal incident. After traveling to the slab, the first color to emerge. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ light beam incident ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ air ରେ to the glass slab at normal incidence, ସେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ जो colors गुड़ाक evolve ହେଉଛି, they are in the form of red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then indigo, and then violet. It is the formation of the colors. So, जोटा first color emerge होची सेटा हला red, next color हला orange. As red is not in the option, so orange is the option. आमे जोटा formula जानचो C equals to V lambda. तो C टा हला constant, माने speed of the light is constant. So jete reflection way C टा constant, so I can write C is directly proportional to lambda. सेति पई जो wavelength रे हमें कहूचे जे C is directly proportional to lambda, तो सेटा ही डिटरमाइन करे को कलर टा फर्स्ट एमर्ज हबा. तो वेलोसिटी जो रेड लाइट रो सेटा हला मैक्सिमम. जेतले ग्लास होची, ग्लास रे वेलोसिटी of the red light is maximum and violet light is the minimum. So जदि फर्स्ट कलर टू एमर्ज रेड था हमें रेड ऑप्शन दे था, बट रेड नहीं, सो ऑरेंज इज द राइट आंसर. Next question. What should be the power of the microscope to view an object with an angular magnification of 10 if the near vision of an average person is 25? Okay. Near vision माने हमको दिया है जी value of D, which is equal to 25 cm. तापरे दिया है जी power of to view an angular momentum of 10. Okay. हमें जानते for I lens U equals to F or V equals to minus 25 cm, because it is given the average person is 25 centimeters. So this is equal to minus 25. Magnification M equals to V by U. So M10 equals to minus 25 by minus F. Because magnification 10 दिया है, so we are putting the values. So F equals to 25 by 10, which is equal to 0.025 meter. Because these are all in centimeters, so we'll convert it into meters. Question pachachi power. Power equals to 1 by F is inversely proportional to F. So power is 1 by F, which is equal to 1 by 0.025, जोटा की solve कर ले around 40 D. So 40 D is the answer. A resistance R is connected with a series of lamp L1 and inductance L is connected with a series. Diagram दिया है. These combinations are connected across the battery. When the key is switched off, जेतोले key टा switched off है ला, एक key टा जेते switched off है जबा, so L1 will stop glowing immediately, L2 with some delay, because L2 is connected to an inductance. So सेथिपाई सेटा with some delay सेटा stop होगा, but L1 will immediately stop. Next question. Identify the following statement to the correct option listed below. Every point on a waveform may be considered a source of secondary spherical wavelet which spread out in forward direction at a speed of light. The new wavefront is tangential surface to its secondary wavelength. This is in accordance to आमे गोटे प्रिंसिपल जानिचे जोटा के कहंती Huygen's principle. So A principle टा state करे जे every point on the wavefront may be considered as a source of secondary spherical wavelet which spread in the forward direction of the speed of light. The new wavefront is tangential to all the secondary wavelength. बाकी जो हम पाखरे अछि electromagnetic theory. Electromagnetic theory आमे जानिचे जे electromagnetic theory is based on Maxwell's equation. जो Maxwell's equation describe करे basic principles of electrical circuit or electronic circuit, से principle को लेके electromagnetic theory. So Maxwell's equation is not related to any of this. So Maxwell's equation is based on the electronic theory. तापरे गोटे अच्छे interference principle. Interference principle is related when there is two waves which are of same frequency and they're simultaneously present at the same place plus they're coherent. जदि से coherent थिबे then interference हबो. ए जो प्रिंसिपल टाकू नै के जोडा अछि सेटा को कहंती इंटरफेरेंस प्रिंसिपल. नेक्स्ट हला सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल. सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल आमे सेटा को कहबे जतले लीनियर सिस्टम्स अछंती. देयर आर टू लीनियर सिस्टम. जदि लीनियर सिस्टम अछंती ताहले जो नेट रेस्पॉन्स टा आसुची सिस्टम रो दैट नेट रेस्पॉन्स इज कॉज्ड बाय द स्टिमुली and is the sum of the responses of all systems. So this is the superposition principle. सेथिके ए चारटा का ऑप्शन रो जो प्रिंसिपल टा हमको appropriate लाउची सेटा हला Huygen's principle. Next question. The coefficient of a self-inductance of a coil is 8 mH. If the current through it is changed by 1 mA in 1 second, what is the induced EMF? So, induced EMF जदि हमको फाइंड करार अछि, हमें जानिचे जे induced EMF is equal to minus L di by dt. This is equal to 8 mH. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 into I is changing at 1. So 1 into 10 to the power is minus 3 and time is 1 second. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So solve kale this is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 which is equal to 8 microvolt. So 8 microvolt is the answer. Thank you. हमें बहुत जल्दी लाइव क्लासेस भी स्टार्ट करिवो. जदि आपन को वीडियोटा भल लागिला ताले हमें लाइव डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस किबा लाइव न्यूमेरिकल्स भी सॉल्व करिया पई वेट करछो. तो यू कैन जॉइन us. Thank you so much.